Yummy, yummy chocolate, all zero carbs. Keep watching and I'll show you exactly how you can make some chocolate bars 2 different ways. Alright, so first basically all you're going to need is 3 ingredients, but I'm using 4. So I'm using white chocolate. Got this from Walmart and it is no sugar added. Then also I am going to be using the dark chocolate. So the reason why I'm using 2, the white chocolate and the dark chocolate, so I can make somewhat of a milk chocolate. So I got these again from Walmart. I paid about $3 something each. I got it last year when I was doing keto. So the date is still good. It's not until 2023. All right, so you can use coconut oil, but here I'm using grapeseed oil. And then that's all I'm gonna use for right now, but you will see me add some peanut butter, and that will be the 3rd ingredient to it. So as you can see, I only have a little bit of white chocolate left, so it's barely going to be like a 1/3 or maybe a 1/4 of the white chocolate. Put that in. Now I'm going to get the dark chocolate, and I used about maybe it looks like it's a 1/4, and then I used about less than a 1/4 of oil. So you don't want to use too much oil. You don't want to use too much oil, trust me. So then here we're going to just pop that right in the microwave. I had to put it in for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So after that, you're going to just stir it up. But in the meantime, as it's cooling off a little bit, I'm going to add my little cupcake cups. And then I'm going to use a little pan. And trust me, it's not going to make a whole lot. I don't know why I did all of that. But here I'm just mixing it all up. As you can see, it's very soupy, tight. Like if it's not soupy enough, just add just a little bit more oil. So I'm just going to put the chocolate on the first 3 cupcakes, and then later I'm going to take off the rest. Here I'm adding peanut butter. So this is where the carbs is going to come in at. Of course, you're going to subtract the 8 from the 2, and then you'll get 6. But if you divide it by 3, so forth, you get what I'm saying. So here I'm going to make just regular chocolate. So this one is going to be the 0 carb chocolate here. So it's just going to be like chocolate bars, like a Hershey bar. So then now we're going to pop that in the freezer for about 2 hours. So now everything is ready. I didn't make a pretty shake, but it's okay. And then here are my peanut butter cups. So these are considered like the fat bombs. Just know that if you're going to buy fat bombs from the store, they're going to cost you about $5 and you're only getting 4. But here it is. I'm getting 3 fat bomb cups, and I'm getting multiple little Hershey bars. So here I'm going to taste it. Well, in a minute I'm going to taste it. But as you can see, look at that. It looks really nice. It absolutely cures your crave for chocolate. I love it. It's so indulging. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's guilt-free. It is amazing. I'm going to store everything back in its little contents. So I'm going to put it back into the wax paper. You can use parchment paper if you have it. I didn't have any. And then I'm just going to put it in a pan, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. So you do not have to keep this in the freezer. It will last and survive in the refrigerator. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, this is keto and low carb friendly. Thank you again for watching. Bye, gorgeous.